Hello everyone, in this particular reel, I'll be guiding you how to write a research article. For research article, there should be the main point which is very mandatory and important in order to align with your research, what you have presented in that article. Once you are done with that, then the introduction will be there. Introduction is the brief summary of what the current research is going on in that particular field of research which is related to your publication. So after you have done the introduction, you go for the methodology. In methodology, there is research design, what are the techniques involved, and how the data is being analyzed. This should be clearly mentioned. Next comes the result, which is very important for your research article. And in order to explain your results, you should use tables, graphics, pictures, whichever is mandatory for your particular type of research. You should present that, and it should be very objective wise. Next comes the discussion. In many publications, you will see they will be putting discussion and conclusion. For better understanding, I'll be dividing into different points. So first we'll be discussing about the discussion. What happened in discussion? The results are being interpreted in order to align with the existing knowledge. What happens in the conclusion, which is the final part? It is where you recap the question that is being asked in the introduction and tell that how your findings has supporting that. Also, in one line or two line, you will be guiding other people like what is the further direction of that particular research. Last, you know how to do citations. I have shared the reel regarding it. Please share to someone who is in need. Happy science.